Galaxy S6 Ace launched March 2015. After 6 years, this phone is still worth it. 2021. Find out in this video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Galaxy S6 Ace comes with 5.1-inch Super AMOLED display, 1440 into 2560 pixel, 71.7% skin-to-body ratio. Phone protected by Gorilla Glass 4. S6 Ace using chipset Exynos 7420 Octa with 3GB RAM, and this is 32GB ROM variant with UFS 2.0. Now phone running Android 6. So you can play any game very easily, and you also play Call of Duty, PUBG, Free Fire in a medium graphics, and your gaming experience pretty well. So let's move on the camera. S6 Ace comes with single 16MP camera with 1.9 aperture, 28mm wide, and 5MP selfie camera. So let's see some photo and video sample. Main camera, you can record highest 4K 30fps video, and you also record 1080, 30 and 60fps video, and 720p 120fps slow-mo video. So you can take a very good photo in a daylight. This is the sample. So now talk about the battery. S6 Ace comes with 2600 mAh battery with 15W fast charger. So the question is, this phone is still worth it? 2021. This phone comes with Super AMOLED display. This is the advantage, and disadvantage is this phone running Android 6, and this phone comes with 2600 mAh battery. This battery and this Android system not worth it. 2021. So if you are a heavy user, this phone definitely not for you, but if you are a normal user, you can easily use this phone. So this is all about Galaxy S6 Ace 2021 review. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe. See you in another video. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. Allah Hafiz.